Two volatile assets. Neither one compounds on its own. Rebalance them together, and the portfolio grows. That strange result is what people call Shannon's demon. Start with a simple coin flip game. Heads gains 50%, tails loses 1/3. The arithmetic average return per flip is positive, about 8.33%, but a head followed by a tail takes 100 to 150, then back to 100. A tail followed by a head also returns to 100. So what is actually zero is not the one-flip arithmetic return. It is the long-run geometric growth rate. Now change only the structure. Hold half in the game and half in cash, then rebalance back to 50-50 after each flip. Over one head-tail pair, the all-in game stays at 100, while the rebalanced version rises to about 104.17. Over an alternating head-tail path, no rebalance still ends at 100. The rebalanced portfolio reaches about 113.03. Same flips. Different structure. The intuition comes from volatility drag. A useful approximation is compound growth is about arithmetic average minus variance over 2. In the all-in game, average return is 8.33%, but volatility is large enough to erase compound growth. In the 50-50 rebalanced version, average return is cut in half to about 4.17%. But volatility is also cut in half, and drag depends on volatility squared. That means the drag shrinks much faster than the average return does. So compound growth turns positive to about 2.06%. This is not just a toy example. Portfolio charts shows that from 1970 to 2021, U.S. stocks delivered about 6.7% real compound growth, while T-bills delivered about 0.9%. A 50-50 rebalanced mix landed around 4.2%. And in a separate stocks and gold study, the rebalanced mix outperformed the weighted average expectation of the parts. That does not mean rebalancing always beats the single best asset. It means structure can create return beyond the simple weighted average. The premium is strongest when 3 ingredients are present. First, meaningful volatility. Second, low or imperfect correlation. Third, assets with broadly similar long-run return profiles, so one asset does not permanently dominate the other. Mean reversion can strengthen the effect in practice, but it is helpful, not required. This is the broader framework for the whole series. Variance hurts a single asset's compounding. Leverage amplifies that drag. But diversification plus rebalancing can partially harvest that same variance term. Same variance, different structure, different outcome. Here is the clean recap. A positive arithmetic return can still produce zero compound growth. Rebalancing with cash cuts volatility faster than it cuts arithmetic return. The premium is strongest with volatility, low correlation, and similar long-run returns. And Shannon's demon is structural, not predictive. This video is for education only, not investment advice. Real portfolios include fees, taxes, transaction costs, slippage, and implementation risk.